How to download ChatGPT on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will walk you through on how you can download ChatGPT on your Android phone. If this is something that you are interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up Chrome browser on your device, and there you need to search for chat.openai.com. Now from here, tap on login button. Now enter your credentials and then get logged into your ChatGPT account. Once you get logged into your ChatGPT account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now from here, you have to tap on three dots menu at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Now from there, you have to simply tap on Add to Home Screen option. Now here, you have to rename your app. Once you're done with renaming, tap on Add button. Now go back to your home screen, and there you will be able to see ChatGPT here. That was the quick and easy video on how you can download ChatGPT on Android. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.